And we're right here with an amazing couple. I'm talking about Kenyan Prince and the girl from Steph. How are you guys doing?
Life like a movie.
Exactly. As you can see behind them, life like a movie. Newest owner, car owner.
Exactly.
Range Rover owner. Yeah. How are you feeling? Yeah.
I feel super good.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say. I don't believe
Yeah.
our owner.
This was an apology. What do you have to tell him?
First things first,
Yeah.
good owning up to what you did. Yeah. Apology accepted, of course.
Yeah.
And I really hope he won't. Yes. Yeah.
Together.
We're just forever. Yes.
Kenyan Prince,
Awola.
we'd like to know, for how long have you been planning this?
Since I left Dubai. I'd say since I left Dubai.
So it was in the plan before, everything happened?
Yeah, before.
Yeah.
Actually, I feel like things are falling to place. Sometimes I usually believe everything that happens is according to God's plan.
Yeah.
So I think God prepared the day early enough. Yeah.
I know.
But also to add on that, you had a choice of not apologizing to Steph, but you decided to do this, and we've done
And do it big.
Like it's big. Guys,
Yeah.
I'm Jonah Doe. I'm Jonah.
Where?
Yeah. Why did you decide to apologize to Stephanie?
She's been an amazing woman in my life. You see, there are women you love in life and you don't progress. I've been progressing consistently ever since I have had in my whatever. Ever since we started dating, my life has been growing significantly, I'd say. Compared to other women I've had in my life, I'd say she has been a great woman.
Yeah.
You see that a woman behind every successful man. She's been the one.
Yeah.
So she's a special person to me. So, and Ajay Kostia, seen anything against her. So it's always wise to say sorry if you are at a mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, maybe I know a lot of people would want to know Steph. Maybe it's in the past, you have forgiven him, but I know a lot of people would want to know what was your reaction first when everything happened and the internet was all over talking.
Well, first things first, I knew too much sana.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I expected it. Sasa ningefanya nini? It happened.
Was it the reason you actually deactivated some of your pages?
Or because of the trolls?
Yeah. It was getting too much.
Yeah.
Too many calls, blah blah blah. I just didn't want anything.
What would you tell the people now that we are here? Yeah.
I'll tell them, mind your business. Okay?
Yeah.
Learn to mind your business.
And Steph, this period of time that you did not be together with Prince, you miss him. And did you ever try to look for him maybe at some point?
Like, of course, I have feelings for him.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't switch off feelings at far.
Yeah.
Of course, I did. So basically, can you switch off feelings if you want?
Yeah.
And literally, I really love you. Yeah.
So you already ulikuwa tu nangoja apologize, then that is
not rather tunangoja apologize. But unajua hata kama mtaki you can't switch off feelings once. It has to take time. But I'm really
in for Prince.
Wewe jua. Mimi ndio ni apologize. Unajua me you know me, I've always been the prize.
Yeah.
But now if you see me apologize, I really love her.
Yeah.
I missed her. Nilikuwa nakaa kwa nyumba hivi nasikia lonely.
Yeah.
Ni vile. Lakini anyway.
Now back to what happened.
Yeah.
We'd like to know, why did you do that? Why did you cheat on her?
I didn't cheat. Hey,
what happened?
I didn't cheat.
Yeah.
Now clear the
I didn't cheat.
Just clear the air.
Imagine people were taking alcohol.
Yeah.
Then they told me to take alcohol and I cannot take alcohol. So they told me it is the truth or there were so many. They wanted to throw me in the pool and I don't know how to swim. So they wanted to kill me inside the pool. So they told me the only thing I can do. They forced me. They told me to kiss that girl here. I didn't cheat.
Yeah.
I didn't cheat.
Do you know the girl?
I don't have anything sexual to do with the lady. Yes, I don't.
Okay,
Hey.
any other lady. When you say a lady,
I'm saying like
the
the clamation, like whatever is being claimed online. I don't have anything sexual to do with the lady. She's my friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now maybe Steph, because Kenyan Prince has actually given a reason why he actually apologized this big. We'd want to know maybe from you why. What is that one thing that actually softened your heart to accept the apology?
The Range Rover.
The Range
I'm
Rover.
a Range Rover. It's
Yeah.
just me.
Yeah.
I'm just like that. Like he owned up and said he's sorry.
Yeah.
At least alikuja akasema, babe, I'm sorry, I did this and this. Yeah, unajua si kama mtu like mtu amefanya makosa and then they don't
Yeah.
yeah, unajaza kiburi and stuff. He came and owned up and said, I'm sorry, I did this because of this and this and this.
The Range Rover.
Yeah.
Steph, how prepared are you? Because after here, of course, social media, but
They're already
talking
talking.
by
Yeah.
the way, comment section.
Yeah.
Oh, dem tu anapenda pesa.
Si ni sawa, wacha nimsaidie kujibu. Wewe unataka demu yako apende nini? Wewe ni maskini. There is nothing you're gonna tell me about a woman loving money. What do you want them to love? Unatuambia anapenda pesa na unauza. Like what do you want them to love? Women out here selling it at 5,000. What are you telling us? Everybody loves money.
Yeah.
And actually it's wise if she loves money because I'm gonna work hard to get the money so that you guys can't troll me down.
Yeah.
It is a motivation for me to work. In fact, that is why I'm dating a Kikuyu because I know they love money. Kwani ni uongo si anapenda do?
Nobody.
Wewe hapo kwa maskini yako unapata nini? Unashitiwa na unaletewa yeast hata uwezi pata do ya kutibu. Unatuambia nini wewe?
So maybe for trolls hapo too, I want to hear how are you going to deal?
Nitamsaidia kudeal nazo. Yes.
Wewe ndio utajibu.
Mimi ndio nitajibu. Nitakuwa kwa hiyo comment section na kwa DM.
Yeah.
Uko na
But-
account zake.
Nitachukua simu yake nitakuwa hapo.
But we have also seen Steph has actually, grown that thick skin for the trolls.
Yeah.
Maybe you can tell us how you actually got there, because there was a time you actually joined your live and someone tried trolling you.
Yeah, it's him.
Yeah.
Because of him.
Yeah.
Anashinanga ameniambia wewe, watoto like kwa mgumu.
Yeah.
You see the way he's always like hakuna
Tough.
mtu atakuja kumgumu.
Yeah.
Ukiingia live anakutusi anakuweka you place.
Yeah.
That's how I learned.
Yeah.
He told me, wewe, weka kiburi hapo.
Hebu imagine maskini yako bedsitter anani challenge. Mimi mtu na jamu nanua Range Rover. We are not on the same level. This life like a movie. Let's respect lens. If you can't give credit to wherever it deserves,
Yeah.
you shut up and go live your poverty life elsewhere in the village.
Or work hard.
Go work your ass out. Ingisha vidole kwa matako kama baha. Wacha kutusumbua bana.
But now talking of that Kenyan Prince, someone comment zilikuwa pale kusema someone has your inaitwa aje?
Nudes.
Yes.
Nikiingisha vidole kwa matako.
Walisema tu zako.
Si atoe. Whoever has evidence of me nikiingisha vidole kwa matako si atoe. Kwani mnaogopa? Kwani mbona baha umoki kama kuingisha vidole kwa matako inaomosha?
Unajuaje hajaomoka?
Ameomoka wapi? Huyu jamaa anakaa ameparara kama mwizi.
Well, it's getting hotter,
Yeah.
but maybe as we wind up, maybe what would you love to tell Steffi now, this quite new face?
Stephanie, I love you so much and I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Steph?
I don't want to say apology accepted.
Yeah.
Hey, apology accepted. Jamani.
Range Rover accepted.
And how much?
9.5 million.
9.5.
No, the money he pulled.
Oh, yeah.
The bouquet.
It's
much was it?
1 million. It's 1 million.
1 million plus a Range Rover.
1 million.
And the ride? Yeah.
Helicopter.
Right, yeah.
Guys, said he's sorry.
All right.
So, but I want to hear from you too. What did you learn? You learned something, Steph learned something.
Yeah.
Ukiwa peke yako.
Me, one thing I learned, I would say is hata kama kuna hizo hardships kwa relationship, yeah, mtu anajiona mtu wake.
Yeah.
Unaona, kuna ule tu mtu anajiona mtu wake na anajiona na yeye mtu wake. You know, there's so many, naona hata kusema majonasi.
Yeah.
Mtu akae tu na mtu wake na you're like, you've gone together. Okay, like a hard time, like that.
Yeah. What have you learned
Me,
this past season?
I'm the teacher. Where will I learn? And I'm the
Quite
teacher.
an answer.
I'm here to educate you.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm the engine of the game. Life
Uh-huh.
like a movie.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
A helicopter
I have
ride.
learned that I can turn life into a movie.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sasa social media, hii pressure yote umepatia watu watafanya nini sasa? Watajifunza. Because social media now it's like mambo imechemka.
Unajua mnaishingi huko 10th floor kama tank za maji. Wewe fanya hivi. Unaona hapo nje ya balcony? Ruka. Hebu ruka ufike chini uone. Uland, pressure itapungua. When you jump from a high point to a low point, physics says the pressure goes down. So jump alafu uone vile pressure itapungua.
Hii Kenya unafeel nani anakufikia kipesa?
Kenya kuna watu wengi matajiri kuniliko. Mimi sisemi mimi ni tajiri kuliko watu wote Kenya. I'm the richest forex trader. But there are rich people.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that I'm the richest, but I'm building. You know, one thing about me, I usually admit to reality and I work on my current situation to become a better version of myself. I'm not in competition with anyone. I'm just in competition with the person I was yesterday.
Yeah.
So Kenya kuna matajiri, sikatai. Mimi hata si tajiri. But one day, I'll get there.
Alright.
Yes.
Before we wind up, Stepha alianza kufunza forex. How is it? Na watu wakapenda sana like this girl, ameona kitu anafaa kufanya. How is it for you?
Sharp girl, sharp girl.
Kuna sharp boy mwenza.
Yeah.
So far so good.
Yeah.
People are making money. Kama watu wanasema huko forex ama tu.
Yeah.
Money
Out of it. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, guys. All the best. Congratulations, Steph. Wish you the very best. And to come, good job.
Thank you.
Usiseme ati
Yeah,
kwa-
good job. Namna kati.
Yeah.
Tunashukuru.
Thank you for having us. We appreciate. All the best. Bye, guys.